Okay, so let's have a look at Goggin 2017, ordinary level question 5. And we're looking at the first adjustment, which is the figure for opening stock. So we look here at our profit and loss account. It doesn't give us our opening stock figure here, but it gives us all the other figures, our purchases, your closing stock, and your cost of sales. So if we're working downwards, we'd add on our credit purchases, take away our closing stock. But because we're working backwards to find our opening stock, we need to add on our stock and take away our credit purchases. So the figures we need here, we're going to need our cost of sales, which is 368. You're going to need your closing stock, which is 16. And you need your purchases, which is 360,000. So remember, your formula is cost of sales plus closing stock minus purchases. So your cost of sales plus closing stock, they're in brackets because you need to calculate them first before we take away our purchases. So our cost of sales is 368,000 plus 16,000 minus 360,000. So when we add our cost of sales and closing stock together, we get 384,000. You're going to take away the 360,000, which is our purchases. So you can get opening stock of 24,000. And remember, it's 24,000 euros. So make sure you use the correct unit when you are calculating your opening stock. So remember, we're working backwards to calculate our opening stock. So we need to add our closing. We're working backwards to calculate our opening stock. So we need to add our closing stock on and take away our purchases because we're going backwards. And that's the first adjustment for Goggin 2017.